Joyram Engleng officially granted as the certified village headman in a traditional way through Joyram Engleng, Habe of Umaha Rapati. On 3rd of January, Joyram Engleng was officially granted as the appropriate village headman of Kutepi village under West Karbi Anglong district. The rituals were performed under the supervision of Joyram Engleng, Habe of Umaha Rapati. He was certified and felicitated as a village headman with the Karbi souvenir Poho.
Alang li phan pini pithi piding nang koke alang li akorte akleng abang ke bang bekon oksu Joyram lo ba chiwo yu lo la si pini puthot alang li phan la su pithi piding abang ke nang so de tunga jutang ju bata long ta am so se rong rup kachari ponyi.
Followed by performing traditional rituals at the event, the fortune of the village headman was also believed to be satisfactory.
Chomasa long ria bortemen long parato bortemen long ria hamai long ria basa po long kiki duni tirok ni sini supong king thang lo mor king thang.
Mohan Tiron's report from Kirani for Karbi Anglong Live.